Hello everyone. Welcome to Funwax Art and Craft. It's the season of love, love everywhere. Why not make a Valentine Day gift box for someone you love and care? So with this pretty note, we are going to make a gift box in the shape of a heart, for which I have a small video to show you how it looks like. You open it and you can place your cards inside it. The cards can have different messages. Let's make one of these. So you require two strips of 5 centimeter into 20 centimeter. I have used a board over here which is used for folding. You can use your hand and scale and make folds at equal lengths, and then we have to make them in a zigzag, in a fan shape. After the folds are at equal ends, we fold it, one on that side, one on this side, one on that side, one on this side, like this. So you get a small fan over here. We make two of such kind, and now using glue we are going to stick them. Now look carefully how the sticking is to be done. Apply glue only on one side, stick like this, fold, fold, stick, fold, stick. Do it till the complete end. Now you get a V shape. Taking a black sheet of paper, you just mark the outline of the V shape. This V is now going to help us in making a heart. Just chalk out the outside of one side, folding the black paper into half and convert it into a half shape of heart. Now we are going to cut it. When we cut and open it, we are going to get a complete heart. Now we are going to fix this V shape at the bottom, and on the other side the same size of heart has to be fixed using the glue. I have cut the same size hearts with a sparkle sheet. This is a foam sheet with sparkle on one side. It is sticky on one side, and I have cut it of the same size as of the black heart, pasting blue heart on one side and red on the other. Then just like the sample that we have, sample that white colored heart, a small red heart was on that, and here I am pasting white hearts on both the sides. And then on the blue side I have placed a red heart, and on the red side I am placing a blue heart to give it a contrast. Now we are going to make the inside hearts using colorful sheets. You can use any color and just staple them on two sides so that you can cut them all at once without wasting any time. Now just as the heart should be inside, so it will be a little smaller. So a small heart, chalk it outside, draw the shape, and then we are going to cut them all together at once. Using scissor, very nicely hold it very firmly so that the sheets are not shifting here and there. See, all the hearts are equally cut. They didn't shift here and there. And now we are going to make two holes in the box, one on this side and one on this side, and use the ribbon, pierce the ribbon inside using a pencil or any other sharp tool, and then we'll bind it from inside using a knot. Both sides we are going to do the same. Now you can tie it and check whether the rope is enough, and then write your messages, whatever messages you wish. God bless you. Live long. Have great success. Be happy. You are my life. Writing it for your Valentine. So you can use any of these words. It's not just for Valentine, you can make it for your loved one for the anniversary or as a birthday gift. You can make it, and you can convert the wordings into a birthday wording and use small shiny material inside. I have used over here small diamonds on each of the card, putting it inside. Now I'm going to tie it, and my gift is ready. Dun, ta-da. Did you like it? Yeah? Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for all the future notifications. You can check out my other playlist to check out for your Valentine gifts or birthday gifts or cards. You can do all these things sitting at home with the material that you have. Just try them out, do it yourself, DIY activities. I'm sure the one whom you are making this for is going to be really very happy after receiving it. Isn't it pretty? It looks stunning. Okay, bye bye for now.